That day, we decided to visit one of Tuban's hidden caves, Nglirip Waterfall. The journey to the location took us through quaint and calming scenery. As we got closer, the sound of rushing water welcomed us.
Hi guys, welcome to Putri Nglirip Waterfall. Today I would like to invite you to explore and enjoy beautiful panorama here.
Nglirip Waterfall stands about 30 meters tall with clear, refreshing water. Surrounded by cliffs and trees, the atmosphere is cool and peaceful. Many visitors relax, play in the water, or simply enjoy the fresh air. This spot is also a favorite for photos, thanks to its untouched natural beauty. According to local stories, this place holds a tragic tale of a princess whose love was forbidden. It is believed she meditated near the waterfall, and locals know her as Putri Nglirip. This short journey reminded us that peace can be found in nature. Nglirip is not just about beauty, it's about the simple serenity it offers. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.